The media world is buzzing after Fox News host Pete Hegseth unveiled what he's calling a new code of conduct for journalists. He claims it's designed to restore truth, patriotism, and fairness in the press, but his plan is already facing major backlash. From CNN to Reuters, newsroom leaders are flat out refusing to sign. They're calling it a direct attack on press freedom, saying no TV host or political figure should decide how journalists do their jobs. One editor put it simply, "This isn't reform, it's control." Hegseth's proposed rules reportedly include mandatory patriotism pledges, strict limits on anonymous sources, and penalties for what he describes as anti-American bias. He argues that too many reporters have become activists and that these rules would, quote, bring integrity back to journalism. But critics say the so-called integrity test could silence dissent and discourage reporting that challenges power. If the media were to accept these terms, they warn, it could blur the line between journalism and propaganda. On social media, the reaction has been explosive. Supporters of Hegseth say the press has lost credibility and needs a reset, that journalists have become part of the political elite. But others are calling this move dangerous, saying it's another step towards censoring independent voices. Media watchdogs are now weighing in, calling Hegseth's plan unconstitutional in spirit. One advocacy group wrote, "The role of the press is to question power, not pledge allegiance to it." Still, Hegseth isn't backing down. He claims dozens of reporters have privately agreed with him, insisting the fight isn't about politics, but about saving American journalism. Meanwhile, major outlets are holding firm, saying the future of a free press could depend on resisting pressure like this. So the question now is Pete Hegseth trying to fix journalism, or rewrite it to serve a political agenda? In a time when trust in the media is already fractured, this battle could shape the future of how truth itself is told.